What's good, YouTube family? Hercules again, back with another video. Today I'm about to show y'all my meals. I understand that a lot of people want to diet, but they really don't have an idea on what to eat. So I'm gonna show you guys what I eat on my diet, how I stay lean, how I get lean. It's pretty consistent, usually about the same thing every day. Unless, you know, I want to stray away from it, I might switch it up a little bit, but for the most part, it's the same thing. So I'm gonna show y'all my meals for the day. I'll put the macros for each meal at the bottom of the screen, and hopefully it helps y'all out. So here we go. So to start my day off, my first meal is gonna be 2 eggs and 3 servings of egg whites. I like to use these 100% liquid egg whites. They're only 25 calories per serving, but you still get the same protein you would from a whole egg, but for less calories. So it helps keep that meal's calories down. And I always keep my eggs cheesy. Some people might say this is bad. There's better alternatives, but hey, do what works for your body. I stress that all the time. I can do cheese in my diet and it won't affect me. Fats, it's not the healthiest fats, but I like my eggs cheesy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And I've been doing this since I was 215 pounds. I'm now 180 and the cheese still ain't affecting me. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Now for the oatmeal, I like to do just a packet of oatmeal. At where I am now in my diet, I'm only doing a packet of oatmeal, 1 ounce of reduced sugar craisins, a serving of Ep.2 for some protein and flavor, and I don't like my oatmeal with water, so I do unsweetened vanilla almond milk, about 5 ounces of that. Alright, oatmeal is warmed up, the milk and the oatmeal is warmed up. Add some of these craisins in here. Ep.2. Get it mixed up in there. Then bam, you got it. Plain oatmeal turned flavorous. Now I like mine a little runny, just, you know, it tastes better that way. But if you want it to be a little thicker, I warmed it up for a minute. Warm yours up for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. And there you have it, the complete meal. You got all these delicious eggs with a little bit of syrup on there. And oatmeal. And that's meal number 1, guys. Alright guys, we're at the gym right now. I just finished training. I'm about to have meal number 2. Usually my meals, I have my shakes separate from my meals, but I haven't ate since that first meal for breakfast. So we're gonna do a protein shake, and we're gonna have my shake with meal number 2. And I'm about to take y'all outside and show y'all that real quick. See, your boy came prepared. I brought the protein in a bag today. Bam! See that, y'all? Stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready. Guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is an awesome gift. Hercules-based fitness baby apparel coming soon. Yes. Yes, here's my producer here. Get her up for orders. She can make y'all some shirts, man. Look at this one. Star Walk Lift HB. Oh my God.
That is so cute.
Hold on, one more. Now look at the little joggers. Ah! Oh my goodness. That's cool. Alright guys, here's meal number 2. It looked disgusting. Lexi outside swimming. I had her holding from while I was in the gym. But we're gonna have this, which is, it's just almond butter and Greek yogurt mixed together. And I'm gonna have my post-workout shake with it, and 5 caramel rice cakes. So that's the whole meal, y'all. Rice cakes, almond butter and yogurt, and I'm gonna have my post-workout shake with it. So that's meal number 2. Stay tuned for the next meal. Alright guys, this is meal number 3. Nothing too crazy, just some chicken. And it's not a lot either, it's only 5 ounces. I keep my carbs around my workouts. So I already did my training today. I had my breakfast I showed you earlier. The carbs for that was the, what was that? The oatmeal. And then the carbs I just had after that was the rice cakes and the yogurt. So no more carbs for today. So we got, I think, 5 ounces of chicken. And then I'm gonna try my best to eat some of these green beans. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't like vegetables. So I'm gonna do the best. I usually try to eat a couple, but Lexi laugh at me because I put them back out. So just take that, dump that on there, warm that up first. See, got everything warmed up.
Baby.
Add your green beans. That ain't much, but like I said, I do what I can. By the way, the veggies are a good source of fiber. That's why you need to add them in. That's why I'm trying to add them in. And they basically a healthy carb. Now, like I said, I keep my carbs around my workouts, but these are not the carbs we're talking about here. This is veggies, so it's not the same. Anyway, that's meal number 3, I believe. I'll put the markers at the bottom of the screen. I'll see y'all at the next meal. Oh, wait, hold on.
You need your sauce.
Hold on. I almost forgot the most important part. Do not eat this chicken plain. Unless you're doing a show, you can eat it plain, but if you're not, I recommend this guy. I always say this Dwayne Wade looking mug.
Oh my gosh.
That boy look like Dwayne Wade and Kanye West put together. So, take some of that sugar-free, and trust me, it's good. If y'all watch any other fitness YouTube pages, you'll notice a lot of people use this sauce. So, throw a little bit of that on there, and I don't measure this or weigh this out. I just sprinkle it on there. It's not gonna hurt nobody. It's only 10 calories per 2 tablespoons. That's not 2 tablespoons, so. That's it. See you at the next meal. Alright guys, 4th and final meal. Surprise, same as the last meal. I'm not doing the green beans this time. Don't want them. Just being honest with y'all. Look, this is a real channel. I'm not about to lie like these fake ass YouTubers and put the greens on here and be like, here's my meal for the day. No, I don't want no green beans, so I eat them, goddamn it. Anyway, then usually I do 6 meals because I consider my shakes meals, but both times today I had to combine my shakes with my meals because time is short. It's almost 9:30 and I gotta be up at 3 in the morning. So we're gonna have a protein shake, but this shake is with almond milk. The last one is with water. I have my one after working out with water for digestive reasons. It digests faster. I do this one with almond milk because I'm asleep and it's a slower release, which is okay because that's when your body's healing, right? So I have it with almond milk before I go to bed, and it tastes better. So we're gonna do the shake. Rule 1, protein shake, strawberries and cream. Try that out. It's not fire, but it's good. I will be honest with you. So I'm gonna do a scoop and a half. 1. Just eyeball it, you gotta measure that out. 2. And hold on. Bam! See? Even though I don't have my green beans or my veggies, I take this instead. Organic superfood blend. Vegan, whatever, gluten-free, soy-free. You get your fruits and your veggies, what you need daily, all in this. All you need is 2 scoops. I already had 1 scoop earlier. I split it up because this shit is not good. So I had 1 scoop earlier, and then I have my other scoop with this. And it does kind of mess up that strawberry flavor. But if I'm not gonna eat my vegetables, that's the consequences I gotta face. So that's it, y'all. I'm gonna have this chicken, and then I'm gonna drink this shake, and that'll be all my meals for the day. So hopefully y'all like the video. If y'all like these videos, make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe so I can make more of these videos. If you don't comment, like, and subscribe to the videos, I'm not gonna make the videos because I don't know anybody's watching them or likes the videos. If that makes sense. So, got my sauce, about to smash on this, and I'm done for the day. Thank y'all for watching. Hercules out.